Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use and navigate through the notebook screen. The notebook is a log of all communication between the practice and the debtor or patient. Each note conveniently has a reference number, timestamp, and various other pieces of information in order to keep accurate logs of this back and forth communication. This makes following up with administrative tasks simpler and more efficient. The notebook can be accessed from two different places. Firstly, from the diary screen on a specific patient's booking time slot. All you're going to have to do is click on the notebook button. Alternatively, navigate to the Debtors screen, and search for the debtor that you would like to open the notebook of. Once the desired debtor has been located, click on the View Notebook button. The notebook screen for the selected debtor will open. From and to fields are available for you to click on and filter all of the available notes by the selected dates. Click on the refresh button to refresh the listed notes and apply the specifications made with the filters. Various checkboxes are available to untick and tick in order to filter the notes by the admin event it is linked to, such as a call event or a payment request. You can either bulk select or deselect checkboxes by clicking on either the Select All button or the Deselect All button. You can even create a new admin event by clicking on the Create New drop-down menu and selecting the admin event you would like to use. Only specific types of admin events can be printed, downloaded, or emailed by selecting the relevant event type and clicking the desired button. Various columns are available to give context to the content of each note. Additional actions will display at the end of each row, allowing you to either view the admin event or even resend certain events that allow it, such as an email or SMS.